Building your own compost bin is rewarding. Not only do you get to create something with your own hands, but you also contribute to a sustainable lifestyle. It's even better when you use recycled materials. By repurposing items like old wood pallets or unused containers, you give new life to things that might otherwise be discarded. This helps the planet by keeping things out of landfills. Every piece of material you recycle is one less item contributing to the growing waste problem. Plus, it saves you money. Store-bought compost bins can be expensive, but using recycled materials can significantly cut down on costs. It's a win-win for you and the environment. You get to enjoy the benefits of composting while knowing you're making a positive impact. Using what you already have adds character to your compost bin. Each bin becomes a unique piece, reflecting your creativity and resourcefulness. It makes your garden unique. A well-crafted compost bin can be a charming addition to your garden, blending functionality with aesthetics. It's a fun project for the whole family. Involving children in building the compost bin can be an educational and bonding experience, teaching them the importance of sustainability. Let's talk about what you can use to build your bin. Finding the right materials is crucial for creating a durable and efficient compost bin. Pallets are a popular choice. They are often discarded by businesses and can be found for free or at a low cost. They are sturdy and readily available. Plus, their slatted design allows for good airflow, which is essential for composting. Old plastic bins work great too. These bins are often overlooked but can be repurposed effectively. Make sure they have a lid to keep critters out. The lid also helps to retain moisture and heat, speeding up the composting process. Scrap wood is another fantastic option. You can often find scrap wood in construction sites, or even in your own backyard. You can use it to build a frame. A sturdy frame will provide the necessary support for your compost bin. Or you can use it to create slats for airflow. Proper airflow is crucial for the decomposition process, helping to break down organic matter more efficiently. Get creative and see what you can find around your home. Items like old crates, barrels, or even broken furniture can be given a new life as part of your compost bin. The possibilities are endless when you start thinking outside the box. Ready to start hunting for materials? Construction sites often have leftover pallets they are happy to give away. Check with your neighbors, too. They might have an old bin they're not using. Don't forget about online marketplaces. You can often find people giving away materials for free, or you can get them at a discounted price. Once you have your materials, it's time to prep them. This step is crucial to ensure that your DIY projects are both safe and durable. Start by giving everything a good cleaning. This removes any dirt, grime, or contaminants that could affect the quality of your project. Use soap and water to remove dirt and debris. Make sure to scrub thoroughly, especially if the materials have been sitting outside for a while. For wooden pallets, check for any loose nails or staples. These can be hazardous and may interfere with your project. Remove them carefully using a hammer or pliers. If you're using wood, consider treating it. This step is essential for extending the life of the wood, especially if it will be exposed to the elements. This helps it last longer outdoors. Treated wood is more resistant to moisture, pests, and decay, making it a more reliable material for your projects. You can use a natural sealant like linseed oil. It's an eco-friendly option that provides excellent protection while maintaining the wood's natural beauty. Now you're ready to build your very own compost bin. With your prepped materials, the assembly process will be much smoother. Happy composting!